We are on the Chief Dark Horse, powered by the Thunderstroke 116. It's got 120 foot-pounds of torque, 6-speed transmission, 4-gallon tank, 647 pounds. It's a good sound to it. Good click when you put it in gear. Got the air intake on the left side. Oh, that it gets let out way out there. But here we go. Oh, it picks up quick. Oh, it's got some torque to it. That's crazy. Effortless. So effortless. See if we can rev match it here. Oh, you really got to hang on with that thing. It's very smooth though, extremely smooth. Rev matching isn't too bad. There's a little play in the throttle. There's a little too much play if you ask me. And you can also turn the throttle forward, which I'm not liking too much, but I'm sure that's all something that can be adjusted. And it lets out super late. It is very quick though. Extremely quick. That's insane how quick this thing is. Just this throttle lets out so late. I keep thinking I'm in neutral. See, like right there, that's neutral. Oh my god, it's quick. Jeez. Holy crap. I just don't like where this clutch lets out. It's super far out there. This reminds me of how a MT-07 would ride, because I feel like the front of the bike just kind of stops after the tank. It's just the front wheel. There's not very much rake, it seems like. It's a very smooth ride though, extremely smooth, but there is power everywhere in the power band. There's plenty of power. I didn't even have to downshift there, and it just takes off. There's just, I don't even think I've left third gear this entire time. And there is plenty of power. Let's put it up in fourth. Extremely smooth, just cruising. You can throw it around. It's a little top heavy, I can feel it, but it's really not bad. That is addicting. Rolling on and rolling off, that is addicting. And I'm in fourth gear and it just pulls. Oh my gosh. This is very nice. Very smooth. There's not much vibration. You can almost just sit straight upright. It's very nice. And the light. Keep hitting the rev limiter. We're in 5th, just kind of cruising, and there's very little vibration, but if I want to give it some gas, it just pulls. Wind isn't too bad. I mean, there's no windscreen, so it's not much to say there. Give it some gas here. Feet are pretty much just a little forward. These are pretty much mid controls. It's almost like I'm sitting in a chair, really. I'm a little bent forward towards the bars, but that's an easy change if that's something you don't like. There's really not much there when you're rev matching, but good sound. Crazy power. I was probably 50% there. I don't think I've gotten a chance to go 100% on the throttle when I'm down low. I love the weight. The weight on this is very nice. Feels very planted. We're in Kansas, so the wind gets kind of crazy, but I'm really not getting flown all over the place with this bike. Suspension's pretty nice too. I mean, these aren't really bumps, but they're really gliding. I'm going right over them with no real issue here. Indian FTR to our right. Crazy. Alright, 3,000 RPM. Just rips. It really reminded me of like a MT10 or something. Neutral, easy to find. First kick. There's the kickstand. That's it. Single disc front brake there. Sounds like an aftermarket exhaust, but it's not. LED headlight, LED turn signals. Keyless ignition, cruise control. 4-gallon tank. $16,999.